Hello everyone. I will just introduce you to tongue brushing. Now we are very much used to the regular type of brushing what we do for our teeth or gums. But tongue brushing is also one of the most important part which should be inculcated into your regular oral hygiene regimen. And everyone should do tongue brushing as a regular oral hygiene habit. Now tongue brushing, why should you clean your tongue? Now, your tongue, unlike your teeth, has a lot of rough surface that is full of many peaks and troughs. That is very rough. And that peaks and troughs is all because of your tongue is full of taste buds, which is called as taste buds. And that is why, because roughness is more, it's a perfect place, perfect land for the bacteria to survive, to settle down. And then your tongue has much more bacteria than your teeth do, and these bacteria are easily able to transfer itself to your teeth when required, cause damage to the teeth, and can go into your gums, can lead to your gum disease, bad breath, and so many other things. In fact, as long as you don't have any other dental issues, bacteria on your tongue is one of the leading causes of bad breath, because they survive and thrive on this surface of your tongue. This is how the picture shows the roughness of your tongue. This picture shows the tongue surface. Now, how do you clean your tongue? Once you have thoroughly brushed your teeth, you should then turn your attention towards tongue cleaning. Brushing your tongue back and forth is the most important way you are supposed to brush your tongue, and it is relatively a self-cleaning method and very important method. Begin by putting a small amount of a paste on a brush, start at the back and move forward, remembering to scrub both the sides up and down, back and forth. Use a reasonable amount of pressure, but stop if it is painful or if it is bleeding. You may stop tongue scrapers, or you may buy tongue scrapers, but most of the people use the bristles of a toothbrush itself. But toothbrush has to be really soft, fine, or an ultra soft type of a toothbrush. How often should you be brushing your tongue? So you should make tongue cleaning as part of your usual oral care routine, as I have said before, twice daily, usually in the morning and before the bed. If it gets to midday and your mouth is dry or you have a foul taste, try brushing your tongue again during the midday also. Nothing wrong in brushing twice or thrice, but it's mandatory to brush. Basically, your tongue has to be hydrated. It should not be dry. So a dry tongue is also one of the causes why your bad breath begins, or your tongue has got a coating which is seen very clearly on your surface of your tongue. These are the various pictures which show you the different types of tongue scrapers. You have a stainless steel scraper which was available previously. You have got a plastic tongue scrapers. You have got a tongue cleaning brushes, you can see. There are electric tongue cleaners also nowadays available. Philips has got a very good tongue cleaner brush and a sonic care brush system available. Oral-B also has it. So you have got electric tongue cleaners also, tongue cleaner brushes also, tongue cleaners also. There are a lot of varieties available in the market today for cleaning your tongue. So brushing your tongue twice a day, being hydrated always, flossing daily, and rinsing with mouthwash is one of the most important thing which is important for your oral hygiene practice. But brushing along with a toothpaste, an antibacterial toothpaste, or normally using a scraper would be enough for your tongue cleaning. Now, after all this, what would be the most important FAQ you would like to ask me is, do you damage the buds during scraping? Now, in fact, if you notice that whenever you eat something very hot also, you feel a slight, maybe a few seconds, a minute, the tongue gives you a sudden electric shock like pain on your tongue. That itself indicates that even a very hot food also destroys your taste buds. So that damage to taste buds also happen when you have such type of food also. So very hot food also, sometimes you feel, then you say that tongue got burnt. That is not burnt, that is basically your taste buds are damaged. Yes, sometimes vigorous, overzealous tongue brushing or till the end of doing it, scraping it, or maybe a slight bleeding may definitely lead to the damage to your taste buds. But then these taste buds are always reborn, and they have a cycle of 10 days to 2 weeks. Maximum by 2 weeks, again you get the taste buds. That's why as your age progresses, your taste buds and taste sensation becomes very doesn't have a lot of significant difference because they are again reborn. They again proliferate on your tongue surface. So tongue scrapers do not damage your buds, but then if they damage also, they again come back in 10 days to 2 weeks. So it's not an issue. But that doesn't mean that you avoid tongue brushing. But make sure that don't do it overzealous so that your bleeding happens. Shedding of the debris happens because your tongue contains debris, your tongue contains dead bacteria, dead cells, and a lot of food stuff with the bacteria which helps the bacteria to proliferate and survive on the tongue surface. So those all things have to be cleaned and maintained and stay hydrated overall because a white coating of your tongue always indicates that it is because of lack of hydration and bacteria proliferating with lot of debris on your tongue surface. Thank you.